Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Klarus XT21X. Now I was contacted by SkyBen. They have an Amazon store. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the specs before we open it. And the specs there, you're not misreading it. 4,000 lumens on turbo. A lot of light coming out of this. Now I'm able to get some decent light output and run times. They are running the 21700 cell. Alright, so no further, let's open this up, see what's in. And you've got your other accessories here. User manual. Chinese, English on the other side. Then of course you've got one O-ring here and a lanyard. A USB charging cable. Alright, so here's the light. It's already in the holster. Feels pretty good. It's got some good protection here. A little bit bigger than the actual head of the light, so that's nice. So if it does move around, still covered and protected by the flap. Does have that D-ring on there. Of course, it's got a good belt holder on there. That's going to really do well. A little bit of padding here on the actual outer edge, but here on the sides there's none at all. Alright, and here it is. Look at that. Side switch, also a tail switch, and a toggle lever. Does have a clip on here. This is removable if you don't want that on there. Now this grip area here, the knurling is all in one direction, but it does have a design on there. Here's the charging port. Not much heat sinking on this. And now this button is almost flush. It does stick out a little bit. Style and design on this is excellent. Bezel is gray. Machining and finish on this is excellent as well. Not seeing any issues. No sharp edges, nothing. It feels really nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the textured reflector. It's running the Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Try to get a good picture of that. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the battery as well as the springs. And as you can see, there's dual springs on the tail. And I'll show you the battery. You want to remove that. Here's the included 2 one 700 cell. A lot of power behind this, 15 amp. It's going to give you 5,000 milliamps on this. This is a protected cell. Adds a lot of value to this light because these cells are becoming more and more regular. So it's going to be nice to see some of the lights that come out in the future as more and more are using this type of model of battery, which is a little bit bigger than the 18650. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and show you the different modes here on this light. So we're going to go ahead, put all this stuff over here. So now we're going to activate the light. As you can see, there is a LED indicator. This will also give you your battery level as well. You can use the side switch to go through those light outputs. Now you have more levels of light when you use the side switch. And that's the lowest light output. That actually looks pretty good. So now we can go ahead and double click will get you strobe. And that kind of varies in speed. And that's the full light output. Very distracting. 4,000 lumens on that. Really nice floody beam here. It's going to be probably a little bit of a combination, but it's going to lean more on the floody side. Huge hot spot. A very small spill area, as you can see. We'll see how well this does outside. Then of course, we're going to go ahead and turn that back down through the UI. It goes down through the UI and then back to the top of the highest output. Press and hold that to turn it on from the side switch to go through those light outputs. And you can also pressure this button here, which is the power switch. You can just press that for momentary blinding 4,000 lumens. Okay, now even from off, you can momentarily activate strobe. It's all done by pressure. So that's the tactical feature on that. Or you can blindly 4,000 lumen your area that you need light with. So very nice that they have the switch and the tail switch for people that want to use it more like an everyday carry, or law enforcement that want to use it as a regular tactical light. So you can kind of switch between the modes, tactical or regular outdoor mode, which I want to call it everyday carry mode. So that's all there is to this. Let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are outside here in the darkness with the Klarus XT21X. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the side switch and we're going to get started. There's the lowest setting there. Easily seeing 35 feet there. Any further kind of fades off there a little bit. See up close personal. There it is on the fence. So now we're going to go over here to the Tree of Life. It goes to Turbo next, and then we'll go down through the UI. There it is. Nice floody beam. Does have a little bit of throw there. 138 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. School is lit up with ease. Palm trees are lit up there a little bit before and after. A lot of light coming out of this. Now this does heat up quite a bit when it's on turbo, but it did real well on high, easily making it across the park. We'll do a beam profile here. Real nice full beam on this. Incredible. And there it goes. It dimmed already. We're going to go down to the next level. There's the next level. Still 138 feet from where I'm standing. Water spout's 35 feet. 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. Still a lot of light here on high. And with this battery 21700 cell, you're going to get a lot better run times. We're going to go down to the next level. Pretty even spaced on the leveling. And there's the next level down. Still faintly making the tree of life. And we're going to go down to the final light output here, back where we were. And I'm going to end this shot here with the turbo again on the tree of life. Really love this light. Look at that. Look how wide the beam is there. Very nice floody beam. Good combination of both. That tree there behind it is 238 feet. So you can see still got some good range. And those trees in the background are even farther. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Incredible performance from this light, especially for its size. Now it is thicker than a lot of 18650 because of the battery size, but with that additional battery performance, you're able to put this light at higher outputs with the relative same size flashlight that is compact. Amazing performance, not only in flood but also in throw. So good combination beam on here. Kind of leads a little more towards the floody side, but really was impressed with this, not only in build quality but definitely in performance. A lot of light comes out of this thing, and I'm really liking the style and design on this. It looks really sharp. Now I want to thank SkyBen for sending me this to review. Now this kit, if this is something you're interested in getting, especially after seeing those night shots on this thing, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get this from their Amazon store. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Klarus products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.